Finally, Vivo S18 series launched yesterday in China. Vivo launched three smartphones: Vivo S18e, Vivo S18, and Vivo S18 Pro. So let's now talk about the Vivo S18 and Vivo S18 Pro, all the specification and the pricing. The smartphones are looking too much beautiful. Both phones come with 6.67-inch 1.5K resolution BOE 120Hz OLED display with the peak brightness 2800 nits. Vivo S18 come with Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 and Vivo S18 Pro come with Dimensity 9200 Plus processor with 16 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB storage. Vivo S18 come with dual camera setup, BOE 50 megapixel main sensor and 8 megapixel ultra wide, and Vivo S18 Pro come with triple camera setup. 50 megapixel Sony IMX 920 has a main camera, 50 megapixel ultra wide with Samsung JN1, 12 megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom with Sony IMX 663, and the front is come with 50 megapixel selfie camera with dual LED flash. And here is some picture sample of the Vivo S18 series, and all the image quality are too good. Out of the box, the phone running Android 14 with Orient OS 4.0, and the phone come with three beautiful color: black, green, and blue. And both phone also powered by 5000 mAh battery with 80 watt fast charging. And both phone also come with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, IP64 rating. Vivo S18 is selling price 2299 RMB for 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB storage. And Vivo S18 Pro Plus selling price is 3199 RMB for 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB storage. So that's pretty much for today's video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.